Welcome. My name is myPhone 32, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, there is one thing that you will need, which is a SIM eject tool. Now I have one right here. They can provide it in a box so you can get it from there. But the one that I have right here will be too short, so I'm just gonna use this paper clip that I have straightened out. So once you have that, you have to push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side. There we go. You can see that it pops out. And from here, you have access to a SIM tray and SD tray. So place both of them accordingly. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, as you will see right here. And then while holding it securely, you want to slide it back into the device. There we go. Give it a moment. So there's the SD card already as an icon, you can see. And don't want to open that. Okay, so there's the SD card. Now the SIM card doesn't seem to be read. I believe I would need to reboot the device for it to actually block me with the pin and stuff like that. But this is how you would insert it. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.